Hey everybody, back again for another video, another vlog day. Today I'm taking my child to something called Monster Truck. I always forget the name. Monster Truck. Hold on, let me get in the car. It's really tight. Let me get in the car. Mack. Like it's gonna be a really packed show today. All this walking, tell your girl is out of shape. I was dying yesterday and I just went up one flight of steps yesterday. Now I gotta walk up all of these. I'm about to die again. Hope it's real cool inside. And you know, one thing I hate is seats that's like on top of each other. Like at the Legion Stadium, I hate that. So hopefully their seats is not on top of each other. We can have a little space in between each other. Some arm room, some leg room. We'll see. Ugh. Let's get up these damn steps. I'll be right back. So we're inside the Thomas & Mack. We gotta go to section, I think it was 215, so we gotta go upstairs. 215 row G. So we gotta go upstairs. So we headed to the elevator or escalator. To our floor. So let's get the walking. 30. Am I going up or down? I'm a little confusing myself.
This afternoon with JCB Racing. This is a time contest, which means it's the driver and their truck in a race against the clock. Each one of these competitors will have one opportunity and one opportunity only to turn in their fastest time. After all 8 competitors have been given that chance, the driver with the best time will be your racing winner, and they will receive the first 8 points towards the overall event championship. So, who's ready for JCB Racing? Coming up first from Lafayette, Louisiana, Caleb Blood, Sparkle Smash.
But there's no air, it's very hot.
With a time of 10.
But it's very loud, so I'm glad I got him to silence the headphones so it don't bother him too bad.
Coming up next, he is looking for his
very
third racing win on the weekend from Ogden, Utah. Mack Here we go for El Toro Loco.
Yeah, Toro stuck. Is that Toro stuck?
Monster Jam officials take the opportunity to review every race pass to make sure that they are clean and double check the stopwatch. And now the time is official. We have a new leader, 10.125, El Toro Loco in your top spot. Coming up next from Boulevard Trick, and this is where you're going to see some of the most technical moves in our sport put on full display. You might see things, classics like sky wheelies, you may see nose wheelies, you may see moonwalks, you may even see moves that you have never seen before. All of that is coming up next in the Great Clips 2 Wheel Skills Challenge. In section 106, it seems like those mechanical issues for Megalodon still very much in play. You saw it during the first attempt, but not enough to keep Ashton Sanford out of the competition. Let's see what you came up with for the first time here this afternoon. 6.687. That is your score to beat.
Next is my person. I just gravitated to him. El Toro Loco. Watch him. Let's watch him.
His first attempt waving to the crowd, back tires moving side to side, and and then moves across the entire track there for his second attempt. Get those scores locked in. Is that good enough to take the lead away from Gravedigger?
Yes.
Armando Castro, your reigning, defending two-wheel world champion. Showing you a little bit of wine right here, right now in Las Vegas. Score to beat, Gravedigger 8.946. Your score for El Toro Loco is... We have a new leader, Armando Castro, all alone in your top spot.
And I knew he was gonna do it, and he did it. I love him, and I don't even know him, but I like him. We got 2 more people to go. Let's watch.
For Armando Castro.
You have locked in your 41st Great Clips 2-Wheel Skills Challenge win here in the 2024 season. You did it right here at the very last event of our weekend here in Vegas. Congratulations.
Thank you, that feels good. You know, I always feel like I got a big target on my back because, you know, I am the defending 2-Wheel Skills champion. I feel like everybody's kind of gumming into me, but man, I don't care about anybody else. I'm coming out here to put the best performance show I can for you Moss-Champ fans, and you've been seeing it right there. I can't thank you guys enough for going to judgezone.com and voting for me. Man, I'm just having fun out here. I'm just a local kid from down the road in California having a good time here in Las Vegas. Either if I'm home or if I'm here in Nevada, man, I'm gonna guarantee I'm gonna bring that truck out and always tear it up for you guys. You guys having fun, Las Vegas? Make some noise!
They are ready to continue the fun. I know we've got halftime coming up, but then we've got the donut competition and freestyle. Now that you've got this win under your belt, how do you feel coming into the second half?
You know, it's all a momentum game to me. If I can bring those momentum from this competition to the next, I think we'll be okay. But it's all up to you guys, man. You guys have the power to score us. I'm going to do my job and come out here and perform my best. And man, most but not least, man, I'm here to represent mi cultura, man, mi raza. A toda mi gente latino, es un honor estar aquí. Atrás adelante, a representar mi cultura, mi raza, man. Les quiero mucho. Arriba los latinos, my girlfriend, Spain, I love you!
Those revolutions. I'm not sure really what happened right there, but nonetheless, Tim Hall Jr. and Jurassic Attack awaiting his score.
You know, Kay, I was just going to ask you something similar. You can see Tim Hall Jr. by my hands. It's Mike Christensen, Vendetta.
Time to get the scores locked in.
That right there is a donut in the Monster Jam truck, executed to perfection by Mike Christensen and Vendetta. But it just goes to show you what a fully functional truck is capable of doing. Mike Christensen staying on the throttle, able to execute. Now, will it be enough to take that top spot away from Gravedigger with an 8.639? Your score for Vendetta is, yes indeed, 8.871, new leader, Vendetta.
Okay, the show was over. It was a really cute show. It took me back to when I was a kid and playing with those little monster truck toys. I know the little boy, baby boy that was in there, they enjoyed it a whole lot. But it was a really cute show. It was a close out a nice little good old weekend that we had. His son named. So I'm just going to debate now today if I'm going to go and drive a taxi later to go make some money, because I spent money that I wasn't planning on spending over this weekend while we was in Phoenix, because I wasn't planning on spending anything. But Reese was going to spend everything else, but I end up spending for gas and food and everything else. So I have to replenish all of that I just lost. So it is what it is. So I think I'm gonna probably drive some taxis today and call it a day. But like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll hit you guys in the next video, whenever that may be. Again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Talk to you later.